Alaikum. There is a sister here who's from Philippines and she would like to take Shahada, but she says, don't ask any questions, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay.
Unless I'm not convinced that she believes in the basic principles, how can I give a Shahada? I'd like to ask you, sister, do you believe that there is one God?
Come again?
Do you believe there is one God?
Yes.
Do you believe that Jesus is God? Peace be upon him.
Allah.
She
You
says
don't
Allah.
I believe.
Do you believe Jesus is God or do you believe he's a prophet?
Prophet.
You believe Jesus is prophet of God?
Prophet.
Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final prophet?
Yes, I believe.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No one.
You're doing out of your own free will?
Yes.
Inshallah.
Definitely.
I will say it in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashalu.
Allah
Allah.
ilaha
Ilaha.
illallah
Ilala.
wa ashhadu
Wa ashalu.
anna
Ana.
Muhammadan
Muhammadan.
abduhu
Abdu.
wa rasuluhu.
Rusulu.
I bear witness. I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that
that
Muhammad,
Muhammad,
peace be upon him, peace be upon him,
peace be upon him,
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant of God.
and servant of God.
MashaAllah, you're a Muslim.
MashaAllah.
And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you the best of life in this world as well as in the next life, inshallah.